Skoda Octavia, this is a VRS model and it's got the oil service and inspection now warning on in the dash, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you flick the ignition off, then you press and hold this set button. When you press and hold the set button, you flick the ignition back on, and that is the first stage of the procedure. Press and hold, flick back on, release, press and hold, and the service is reset. So we've reset the oil one, we're going to reset the inspection one now. Press and hold, flick, and you just keep it held. So you let it get past the oil service, reset inspection service. And that is it. So you just keep it held, you let it pass through the first reset, and then it resets it. Key on. I'll just start the car up. And the service has now been reset. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.